Encountering Microsoft Store error code? I'll share the fix to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for a quick solution to get your Microsoft Store back in action. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog and click the download link next to the KB5015020 version and architecture that matches the present installation. Once done, double-click the downloaded MSU file. Wait for the setup to load and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Press Windows plus R to open Run, type wsreset.exe in the text field and hit Enter. Next, press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Navigate the following path or paste it in the address bar, and hit Enter. Press Ctrl plus A to select all the files, and then hit Delete to clear them. Choose the appropriate response in case a confirmation prompt appears. Now, press Windows plus S to open Search, type Services in the search bar, and click the relevant search result. Right-click on the Microsoft Store Install service and select Properties from the context menu. Select Automatic from the Startup Type drop-down menu and click the Start button to run the service. Finally, click Apply and OK to save the changes. Press Windows plus R to open Run, type CMD and hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Click Yes in the UAC prompt. Click Yes in the UAC prompt. Paste the following DISM commands individually and hit Enter after each. Now, execute this command for the SFC scan. Finally, restart the computer for the changes to apply. Press Windows plus R to open Run, type PowerShell, and hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Paste the following command and hit Enter. Once done, reboot the PC and check for improvements.